Alright, hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be going over these earrings that I'm wearing. It's from a brand called Roots Hope. I'm sure I got that wrong. Oh my god. Jesus Christ, I mean, Root Hope. Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be going over the earrings that I have been wearing in my Snapchats, in my Periscopes, on my Instagrams. So the earrings are by Root Hope and they look like that. They're handmade jewelry by Ruth, and the email is rootandhope@live.com. Store is rootandhope.etsy.com, and Facebook is facebook.com/rootandhope. That's the info at the back. This is what the card looks like, and this is what it came packaged in, and it was tied, right? So these, the first earrings, what I've been wearing the heck out of, and it's these Africa earrings. Extremely light. I love it. I deliberately put on my turban for this look. I mean, you don't get no more Mama Africa than a turban and earrings. The other earrings I got that I love, that I haven't worn as yet, are these Jamaica ones, and you can see these actually in my Snapchat Q&A video. These are the earrings I'm wearing. These are again Africa in Jamaican colors. Is this Africa? Yes, Africa in Jamaican colors. Yes, it is. How embarrassing. And then you have some other ones which I'm not a fan of. Let me just detangle them. I have these ones here in Jamaica colors. I won't be wearing these because of what it symbolizes for me and my belief system. So yeah, but they have nice pieces though, so I'll be featuring the ones that I can wear. But yeah, so these ones, but these that I'm wearing, and these are definitely my favorite ones. They wrote me on Instagram asking me if I could do just to show you guys the jewelry, and I was like, of course I will. I went on the page and I saw some pieces I absolutely fell in love with. Now these are handmade, and as you know with handmade things, you won't get it exactly the same, which is the look and the feel of handmade pieces, whether it be brushes, lashes, jewelry, clothes. Not every piece is different, if that makes sense. You won't get one piece being the exact same because it's handmade. So these and these are definitely my favorite. Really love them, and I really thank them for sending me these to review or to talk about. As far as the review goes, they're extremely lightweight, very lightweight. So when you store them, just store them back in the box that you're going to get them in. It came with a little white, like a foamy, hairy, foamish thingy, and I got rid of that because it left some pieces on the jewelry, like a white cotton thingy, kind of like cotton. I'm not sure if you can see, but there's like just little things that still stuck to it. You see, I'm holding the earring by it, just little things still stuck to it. So yeah, so really love them. Please go and check them out, you guys, on their Instagram. Not much to say about them except whenever you see these, you know, you see me sweating, I'm so hot, you know where I got these from. Alright, so that's basically it. A really short video, I know, but yeah. Thank you so much, Ruth and Hope, for sending this to me, and good luck in your business and also in the endeavors. I'll link all the information in the description bar below. Please show some love and some support to my girls over there on Ruth and Hope. Bye guys.